Congresswoman Cori Bush is ramping up her attacks against her primary challenger, Wesley Bell.
Her latest fundraising push questions the progressive prosecutor's commitment to protecting abortion. Political editor Mark Maxwell is here to verify her claim.
When she officially launched her bid for a third term, Congresswoman Cori Bush sounded an alarm. She told her supporters, "We're going to need to raise a lot of money to beat Wesley Bell." Then she sent this text message to supporters asking for money and claimed Bell, quote, "won't commit to protecting our reproductive rights." So let's verify. Our sources: the campaigns for Cori Bush, Wesley Bell, U.S. Supreme Court documents, the St. Louis Post-Dispatch, and the KSDK archive. We asked Cori Bush's campaign, what's the basis for this claim? They point to this 2019 article from the St. Louis Post-Dispatch. 3 years before the fall of Roe v. Wade, Missouri Republicans were drafting a plan to charge women who seek an abortion with felonies. Bell replied to that reporter and defended abortion access, writing, "Roe v. Wade is the law of the land and has been settled law since 1973. He called it infuriating that this fundamental constitutional principle and the humanity of women is being put into play for political purposes. So how could Bell's defense of abortion rights amount to a refusal to protect them? The Bush campaign said the newspaper reporter claimed Bell and former city prosecutor Kim Gardner sent statements that didn't necessarily answer his question directly. But in multiple cases since 2019, Bell didn't just verbally commit to protect abortion access, he actively opposed efforts to restrict abortion. For example, in 2021, he signed on to this filing to the U.S. Supreme Court, writing, "If Roe is overturned, the court, quote, will put at risk the health and safety of all people who can bear children, particularly women of color and low-income women." Then, when the court overturned Roe the next year,
"This ruling is terribly misguided and dangerous."
Bell refused to enforce Missouri state law. He did the very thing Bush claims he wouldn't commit to do. But just to be sure, we asked him again, will you commit to protect reproductive rights?
Absolutely, and it's disappointing that the Congresswoman would say something that she knows is a lie. She knows that it's false.
So is it true Wesley Bell won't even commit to protecting reproductive rights? We can verify that claim is false. With your Verify, Mark Maxwell, 5 on your side.